Hi, welcome back to a brand new coffee tech break with Jan. So, a really exciting moment. I got a brand new box today which arrived in the Hoofddorp office. This is where you can see it. And that is, let me show you, the brand new TC10. It's just been released on Zoomtopia, so you can use this device with Zoom. And let me show you what is inside the box. Let me show you. It's always an exciting moment. So, what do we have? We have the papers here, of course. There's some very nice like screwing where you can put it against the wall where you need to place the holes. There's some documentation. We got a reference here to Poly lens. You probably can update it and manage some of the settings. What is inside? Let me quickly show you. We got the panel, we got some screws here, of course, and we have here, this is the back connected, the foot for the TC10. So let me show you that. Open it up, right, really nice. And this is the bracket which you need to put right here. Here you go. So really nice panel. So it's a 10-inch panel. It's got some environmental sensors inside for future use. Also proximity, when you walk to the meeting room, it can wake up the system. But also on the side, you see LED lights. Really nice. So here you got lights which can be, I think it gotta be green or red. And also on the other side, we got some LEDs. And it sticks a little bit out, so you're able to see the lights from any direction, because you see it's really sticking a little bit out. Now don't forget to peel off the protection, because there's always protection on top of those panels. Now what is very nice, this is the black edition, but we also have the white edition. Now look at the connectors. Let me take this out to show you. We got here the LAN connector, and here underneath this screw we got a USB-C and a USB-A, which is for diagnostics and future use. Now let me show you the difference with the TC8. Take this right here. So here you see the difference. TC10, TC8. So it's just a bit bigger. I can imagine for your meeting rooms where you want to have this. It looks a little bit, especially for the boardrooms where you want to have this more visible on the table. Really nice. Now, what is also important is the TC8 was only for in the meeting room. Now, the TC10 is for in the meeting room, but you can also use it outside the meeting room against the wall or against the glass. Very nice. You can power it up using the LAN cable. So in the box we should find some additional accessoires, and I think this is it. Here you go. We got a wall plate and we have the LAN connector, and optionally there's also a glass plate, so where you can put it against the glass. So very nice. So in overall, I think a really great device, starting with the Zoom environment outside as a scheduler or in the meeting room as a controller. Really powerful. This was the video, and looking forward to see you in the next video.